Hello and welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. In today's video, I'll be showing you all a Christmas DIY. You'll get to know what it is soon, so without wasting time, let's begin.
Firstly, for today's DIY, I'll be using this die cutter. I'll be cutting out 5 different sizes of flower shape. Let me show it to you. I've already cut out few, most of them, only one is remaining. As you can see, I cut out different shapes, 2 each. So this last one I'm going to show you all. So now we have cut it. Look at this, it's come out so well. I really loved it. I'm doing it on foam sheet, by the way. So yes, now our flowers are ready. Let me show you. As you can see, I have cut out 2 sets. Now let's stick it one by one. Both are ready now, so now let's stick pearl beads, that is half pearl beads on it. As you can see, I have stuck half pearl beads on each of them. Now what we are going to do is we are going to stick these ear studs. So by now we all might have understood what I am making. Yes, I am making a earring that is hanging, or whatever you can say. So we are going to stick the ear studs on it. And yes, our earrings are ready, you can see.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.